Carlo, and for today's video, I will be unboxing the Mi Wi-Fi Repeater Pro. So will this little bad boy improve my Wi-Fi network coverage at home? Let's find out.
So here is the setup guide. Please, you have to plug it in near your Wi-Fi router. You have to download the app. So go to App Store or Play Store. Search for Xiaomi Home. So for first-time user, you have to create a Xiaomi account, register via your email or mobile number. So I have installed mine, so I just need to open it. Set your region. So go to Profile, Settings, select region. You can also change the language here. And then once successful, you can go back to Xiaomi Home and add the device. So to add the device, you have to click the plus icon at the right top of your screen. Then turn on your Bluetooth. So scanning for device nearby. So you have to click the Mi Wi-Fi range extender. Click next. So there's some sort of radar here. So dang, the device added. So you just need to select recommended room. Next. Click next. And then let's get started. So agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. Dang, it's all good. So the light indicator changes from amber to color blue. That means the device is now connected. So to test out your device, you have to select the name of your Wi-Fi with a word plus next to it. So let's test it again. So from 10 plus, the speed is now 11.07. So we're all good.
I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog. Peace out.